The good thing about Tradingview is that you can customize each and every column and each and every filter, but then you would like to save it. So how do you save the stock screener in Tradingview? That is what I'm going to show you in this video. So I will not go into the details that how would you remove these columns and how do you add the extra columns here, or how do you remove these filters, or how do you add additional filters here. But I assume that you have all done that, and now you want to save the stock screener. So there are two ways. One, that you should create a new screener at the start. So it will ask you for the name. You can give it any name. Let's say I'm writing the test and click create. So once this screener is created, you can customize the screener by removing the columns, and you can, let's say, add the extra columns here by clicking this plus icon. Similarly, you can remove any specific filter, you can apply any filter, and then you can add additional filters also. And once you are once you have done that, let's say make this. Now once you have made all these customization and tweaking, you just need to press this save button and your stock screener will be saved. And another important point which is linked to this is that you can create, but I guess, as many stock screeners as possible. I do not know if there is any limit here. Just click the create new screen and then you can customize a new screener, one for a day trading and one for a investment. Thanks for watching.